Okay. Yes, got it.
Yeah. So any query, any other query, guys? Do you have? Can you please explain SQL time-based attack if possible? Yes, yes, yes. We will discuss these things also. Okay, so now let's move to our topic. So SQL injection, guys. SQL injection is a security flaw in a web application where attacker in.
Sorry, sir. One more question on the previous topic. Maybe I was speaking on mute. Um, uh, so if we have only the SQL database, obviously these injections will work, right? So,
Mhm.
means uh, which database maybe are more vulnerable to such things? So, is there any guideline or
No, no, there
something?
is no such guideline. I mean, uh, MS SQL or Oracle. But yes, the query structure should be the different.
Mm-hmm.
But there is no certain rule or any database that is particularly very safe. But you just need to have the security control in place, whether whatever the database you are using.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Got it. Thank you.
Yes. So SQL injection is just a web application vulnerability where the attacker can insert the harmful SQL code through user input. This can allow them to access the sensitive data, change database content, or even take control of the system. What is the impact of the SQL injection attack? A successful injection attack can have the severe consequences, including unauthorized access of the sensitive data, such as personal information and financial record. Attacker may manipulate or delete the critical data if they have the control. They can also compromise the integrity of the system. They can also bypass the authentication mechanism, gaining unauthorized access to user control, including the administrative privilege. This can lead to exposure of the confidential information, identity theft, and significant financial losses. Additionally, SQL injection attacks can result in a service downtime and damage to the organization reputation. So many of the banking application, or you guys have heard about the Truecaller app, right? This is a China based app, as well as TikTok is also there. So some attack is happen on Truecaller, and it's reveal the billion of the users data, their phone number, their username, and other detail, and the attackers just publish all these details. So that is something, defaming the organization, their reputation in the market. So that is why a lot of people, they are not installing Truecaller in their mobile application. Sorry, in their mobile, because it's fine. Some time ago, it's unsafe, but now the people are using it, because once you are installing any application, you are getting a security policy notes or your consent, right? So we are submitting agree, all agree. So that is something they have written in the background, is they can use your data wherever they want. So we are basically handling, or giving them a privilege to access our data. So that is why they are using it for their purpose, and that is something we are not aware about it, because usually we are not going through all these, uh what we can say, 1 or 2 page notes. We are not used to read it. So that is why we have, now in the market we have another opportunity, is privacy control.